Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 6th of Ramadan 2025, and inshallah we'll be talking about a book written by Aida ibn Abdullah al-Qarni titled La Tahzan. The topic is doing good to others gives comfort to the heart. I think this is more like a theory or a fact or something that we all know that it's a reality. It's something that I personally have experienced, and I know that one or two of you, a lot of you have experienced this as well, that the first person who benefits from an act of charity is the benefactor himself, by seeing changes in himself and in his manners, and by finding peace and solace and tranquility. By watching others smile, that gives you peace, that gives you some kind of peace of mind and tranquility. So if you find yourself in a very difficult situation, help others. If you're depressed, help others. If you're having some kind of issues, emotional instability, it's very important that you try to assist others, because by doing that, you're definitely also going to find peace and happiness. So all you need to do is show kindness to others, and you will be the first person to find solace and comfort. Give the needy, defend the oppressed, help those in distress, and visit the sick. We know that. So when imagine you have the means, you have the resources to visit a hospital and clear some and help those who are currently in that hospital. Maybe they have no means to clear their medical bills, or pains a child's school fees, someone you perhaps don't even know, random, or maybe someone you know, or you're trying to bring people out of their distress and challenges, and you see these people smiling. You are going to be very happy, because you find peace. You're going to find peace by helping people, peace and tranquility. You're going to find a lot of that coming to you from all directions if you have made this your life mission to always help people. I mean, people, maybe the less privileged, or people generally, assisting them in any way that you can. As you know, an act of charity is like a perfume. An act of charity is like perfume. It benefits the user, the seller, and the buyer. Furthermore, the psychological benefit that one receives from helping others are indeed great. Just like I earlier said, if you suffer from depression, an act of charity will have a more potent effect on your sickness that will the best available medicine. Now, even the Prophet ﷺ has advised us on many occasions when he says that give charity. When you give charity, and you should try to be nice to your fellow human beings, even if it is a little, even if it's just the slightest thing, something you might take for granted, and which can include just smiling to your brother, just smiling to your fellow brother. That can be considered an act of charity. So Prophet Muhammad said, do not dismiss certain acts of kindness by deeming them to be insignificant, even if such an act is to meet your brother with a smiling face. So you can see how important it is that you always smile. And just like, on the other hand, when you frown upon meeting others, you are displaying a sign of enmity, an act that is so detrimental to brotherhood that only Allah knows the full extent of its evil effects. So it's very important that when you're meeting people, smile at them so that you will be rewarded. You can see that even a simple smile, even a simple act of smiling to your fellow brother is an act of charity. So don't look at that. Don't take that for granted. The Prophet ﷺ also informed us that about the prostitute. Of course, we know that about a prostitute who once gave a handful of water to a dog and was rewarded for that deed with paradise. Wouldn't you want to be rewarded with paradise? So being nice and gentle and kind to people is very important, and that gives you peace and solace and tranquility when you help people. So now there is this saying, "O you who are threatened by misery, fear, and grief, occupy yourself in the betterment of others. Help others in different ways, through charity, hospitality, sympathy, and support. And in doing so, you will find all of the happiness that you desire." It's simple. Do you want to be happy? Then, do you want to be happy? Occupy yourself in helping others, in making people smile, in taking people's problem away if you have the means. financially, or visiting them in the hospital, or whatever it is that you can be able to do to assist your fellow members, always do that. So if you find yourself in a very difficult situation, always try to occupy yourself in seeing that, you help people all around you, and you will be happy, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.